now in Bohol, Philippines, and we rented a scooter, riding it right now, and we're heading to the Tarzan Sanctuary, which is, I think, the smallest monkeys in the world. Let's find out. It's sunny right now. Usually in Bohol, weather changes every 10-20 minutes, honestly, and like the weather application on my iPhone is not that accurate, so hopefully we can get there and come back without getting drenched. Yesterday we got soaked in the rain, like dripping wet, so yeah, it's a good experience. Luckily we got our waterproof backpack, which has got all our camera gear. So yeah, let's continue the journey.
So we are at Tarzan Sanctuary with the smallest monkey in the world. Let's see.
You have to be super quiet because of the mini monkeys. I'll show you it. It's right here sleeping. They're super small, so we can't do much in terms of speaking this to them. So we found out that a Tarsier is not a monkey, it's a primate. And it can jump 3 meters from tree to tree. When seeing it in person, it's super small, so it's hard to see. We just came out of the sanctuary. It's over here. It's quite small, to be honest. The majority of the Tarsiers live up in the jungle area. Seeing them in person is like, you have to be super quiet because anything can scare them, even like a rattle from the leaves of the tree. They're scared of wind, so they cuddle up to the tree branch. The little Tarsier, the male is lighter, sorry, the female is lighter in colour than the male, and the male is slightly bigger. Also, you can find them in different places in the world, in Malaysia and Indonesia, and they're not the smallest primates in the world. They are one of the smallest. We found a butterfly sanctuary about 40 minutes away from the Tarsier Sanctuary. So we're gonna go there now, see what it's about. Yeah, just discovering different things to do within the island as we're trying to take advantage of the sun. First thing is to find somewhere to eat because Miho's super hungry. I'm hungry too. So let's go. We stopped off at a little quick bakery. Do you want to show them what there is?
So we got some cupcake. We have here some coconuts.
I think it's ube.
Ube?
I don't know. We don't know what ube is yet, but it tastes so good. And
is it bao? I don't know.
that looks so
If
good.
someone knows, let us know.
The bakery shops here in Philippines, everywhere we've gone, are so good. Like the everything seems so fresh. Like it just came out of the baked oven. So what's that? Let me taste this one. Let me taste this one. It's like a chewy dessert with some coconut inside. And like a sponge cake. Next stop. We just stopped by a man-made forest on the way to the butterfly sanctuary. It's really nice, sounds super peaceful. I don't know what insects they are that are making that noise, but it's that jungle type of sound. We're just gonna stop by, take some pictures, and then head on forward. We reached our destination, but unfortunately I think it's closed today. Even from outside it doesn't look like there's nothing going on. So, on to the next stop.
Hi, I'm Crispina Brina, married. Then I have 4 children, and I'm 50 years old as of now.
Oh.
Then we have the local monkey hair came from the forest, and we train as giving food. Then that's why we came closely to the visitors. Then
So
Very calm.
yeah.
there are 55, but when they are full, he cannot go down. They were playing up to the mountain and resting there.
So with these monkeys, they're called long-tailed
Long-tailed
monkeys,
macaque.
and their average lifetime is 45 years,
45 years then.
which is crazy. So at the moment we're in Rajah Sikatuna National Park. It's got a lot of monkeys. Mia's just taking some pictures of them up there. And yeah, the lady that showed us around is super nice. What she told us is that these monkeys live up to 45 years, imagine. And they live in conjunction in this area with some flying lemurs. But in terms of like dominancy, the monkeys are more superior. Because I think the lemurs just like, I think she said that they cry when the monkeys come around to eat food. And there's one kingpin monkey, his name is King. And whenever he's eating, all the rest are just kind of like chilling around, watching him, because he's kind of the dominant one out of the group. He's the leader basically, the alpha. It's a nice place to come. How much did it cost? It was $220. That includes parking for the bike and the guide, plus 100 for the guide, right?
Yeah.
So $320. So that's like $6, say, for 2 people.
That's good.
I mean, it's super cheap just to kind of see some nature. Now we're heading to our next stop. Not sure where it's going to be, but
Maybe the laundry shop.
maybe the laundry shop to pick our laundry.